Hey everybody, today I've got a DJI OSMO Action4 Adventure Combo camera. Gonna open it up and see what we got. Comes with an extension rod, 3 batteries, and a battery case, and obviously also the camera. So you've got your OSMO Action4 over here and the accessories over here. Let's open up the camera. So here's the camera, Action4. And there's a cage for it in here. Looks like it's got some accessories. You got the cage and you've got the mounting stuff in here too. Yeah, different brackets. Now let's open up the accessory package. Got a silica gel. Throw these away. Don't keep these because little ones, like this one over here, could get into it. If they eat this, it'll kill them. So throw these away when you find these in products. So you've got a cord, a mount, this should be your battery pack. You should have the batteries in here, and this is the charger. So as you can see, it needs to be charged. There's your batteries. That's pretty cool that you get a little case for them that charges them too. Got to have a decal. You get a quick start guide, safety guidelines. This over here. Let's see what else we have in the package. This is your extension rod. So it's got a nice grip on it. It's got a little hole here that you could put a wrist strap in. So with this, you could add it to a tripod so you could actually stand it up and use it with a tripod. And then you just pull it up to extend it. So even though our batteries aren't fully charged, I'm going to go ahead and put a battery in here to see what it does. This is the side that opens. You push this arrow here that way, and then you flip it down. That's where your battery goes. So let's take one of these out and put it in here. Slide that back closed. Power button is right here. This is your quick startup guide. You have it on paper too. They also gave you a booklet, but you could also just read it on the OSMO. Okay, then you need to open the DJI Mimo app. Okay, and as you see, it says OSMO device found. Connect. Through your buttons and show you how to do it. This is all information that's in here and on the camera itself. We're going to update the firmware. It says it'll take about 2 minutes. Okay, the update is done. Okay, now I'm going to go charge the batteries and then we'll give this camera a try.